on the wall. Who's a mother flipping the less freshest of them all? You see me? Now the body sandy,
Hey you guys, I'm sweating. Y'all, it is a new day once again. We're about to go to the river. I don't want to get copyrighted, so let me try to get away from this sound. Anyways, we're about to go to the river. Most of the rivers, y'all, are closed down. That's the annoying part. Most of them are closed, so we can't just go to any one, which is annoying. But yeah, y'all see the sweat on me? I'm sweating bullets, y'all. Anyways, we're about to go to the river. It's so bright out, but that's what we're doing. I tried recording on my freaking phone, my camera, and it's saying my memory card is locked, and I don't have enough time to fix it, so I don't know. Jelly, no type of way you have to step on the back of my shoes. Yes. Does that look different?
That one, so they make that sound the same.
Oh, we'll make it.
One carrot come hold him.
Jane!
In a glass and in a hot
Hot ties. Hot ties. No.
So yeah, we're walking because we don't live too far. When we went to the beach the other day, we didn't live too far from there either, but we just drove but the river is like right down the street from us. Some of y'all might know it. It's called rafting. A lot of tourists go there. It's like they do tubing. We're not doing that, but yeah, I'll show y'all when we get there. Y'all, they got JLP down here. What you call this? What am I do, Kaden? Kaden, what you call this? What am I do? Campaign? So yeah, they're campaigning. I don't even know when election. Chin Kara come. I saw Chin we get licked down here. So she listen to the music, she know you want thing. But hey, Kara will lick you down in a Chin. You need to eat? Oh yeah. Anyways, they're campaigning, y'all, and so it's JLP, y'all. So they out here campaigning. I guess election is coming up soon. Ashmar! Ashmar!
As them family as me for me na sai ka balik ka pa sa kamayo.
And what's the rain there? Cause not let me not remember my mask in a bag. I'm just going to say I'm not up there, so she do it, grandma. And look around the cars are no buses. And this is also in there, so.
What car jail in there?
I want him.
No, so we'll find us beside Nerissa.
Calypso rafting. Right? So cute. Y'all, down here is so cute. I mean, it was always cute, but I haven't been down here in a minute. I used to come down here all the time growing up. Good time. You come then, cause this a step you always there, so. Exactly. Oh, we are here, y'all, and it is so shady. Oh, I need the shade because I've been sweating. It's so pretty. Let me show you. Look at it. So pretty, y'all. It's deep though. Well, not all of it, but so this is where the rafting starts. So people walk down this step, then they get in the tubing. I don't think you can raft all the way from here. Maybe, I don't know. But the tubing, they get in and they go all the way down this stream. It goes all the way around and it brings you to White River, which is where we went the other day in my trip. So we went to the end of where this river leads out into the ocean. But it's so cute, y'all. I love coming here. The water, popping. Alright, y'all, so we're going home. I feel so good. Wow. We're about to walk. Hey you guys, it's a new day. Sorry. Please be quiet. Hey guys, it's a new day. Today we're going to the supermarket or the meat shop. We have to get meats because I'm having a little graduation party tomorrow. Well, my mom's having it for me, so we're going to get some last minute stuff. We have to get the cake that we ordered today because we can't pick it up on Sundays and we need it for tomorrow. So we're doing that, and yeah, I'll take you guys with me. It's around, my watch isn't even turned on. What time is it? It's around almost like 11:30, so we're about to get this done so that we can come home, relax, and see what else we have to do. So yeah, I'll take y'all, and yeah. I did not record yesterday because it was a mad hot when I went out, and I was just like, let me hurry up, before I get copyrighted. But I didn't vlog yesterday because it was too hot. So today is the graduation party. So right now we're setting up. We're moving a bit late because we started late. Like the water went out and it's not supposed to come back until like 5. Mommy, water come back? Your water still gone? Has no 5 o'clock, they said.
Still gone.
You know what?
So,
So yeah, the water is still gone. It's almost 6 o'clock. Anyways, I'm about to go outside and finish setting up. I look a hot ass mess, but I'm about to go out there and I'll show y'all how it looks. You know, it's just a slight work, you know. Y'all.
if we do it, they sitting there, you know, they will show this kid.
Right, I mean, they sitting there.
Jenny,
Oh,
you invite me about it.
Me didn't see a tour party.
I didn't see you.
I couldn't say you don't know me on Facebook.
I didn't use Facebook.
On the Instagram.
I never remember your name on Facebook. Yeah, I have Instagram, but I never remember your name on it.
She know me name.
Well, you're there
When
now.
me there, I know. What me can get?
We're there.
Alright, that party me I come from. You take chicken alone. Me don't want rice, chicken alone.
Alright, and so will anybody?
Yes,
Jen, you can get chicken alone.
Chill by myself to meet people. You know, say you see me, yeah, I'm right. But if you text me right now, I'm seeing you.